I don't know. You turned the camera on and
I
you're
know.
like, what's up, you guys? I'm Josh.
I'm Hannah.
And today we're just gonna get real. We're gonna break down everything that we hope to do in 2023. And everyone says write it down. But if you've seen my handwriting, I won't even know what I've written down, so I'll make it a video. It's been 2 years of real estate investing.
Wow.
Lots of mistakes. Not as much cash flow as we thought, to be honest. But a lot in like appreciation and net worth, but appreciation and net worth doesn't buy us Starbucks.
Not much to appreciate there.
Delegating. I think I've gotten a little bit better, but I would like to fully delegate everything as much as I can, and then be able to track their process in terms of that. So I guess project management and delegation is like two skill sets I really want to develop, both for my own day job, but also just agency side, real estate side. You know, what are the systems in place that we can put to make it better?
Because you do this thing where you assume the other person is understanding what you're saying, but it doesn't actually make sense. So you like skip over details, but like how to maybe dumb things down in a way that someone else can fully understand.
So what I'm hearing is that she can't read my mind, and neither can other people, and I have to be more specific about what I'm asking.
Yes, over communicate, I think.
I like it.
Yeah, I like it too.
Real estate goals. Do you have one?
I think this video should be by yourself.
For the most part, she's on whatever you need me to help with Airbnb business. I'll help you. Real estate is an ever evolving thing. And so as we go from single family, long-term rentals to midterm rentals and Airbnbs to commercial real estate, just the conversations change and differ. She's just not as in it as I am.
Yeah.
And that's okay.
And that's okay.
And you're also holding down the home front.
Yes, someone has to.
It's all give and take, split in, finding those boundaries a little bit more.
Something that's actually really helped me is, so if you're married to a super ambitious person and it's like exhausting sometimes, what has actually helped me was that thing that Michelle Obama says. I'm like Michelle Obama and you're like Barack Obama, where this is like your time to like run the world and figure everything out and do all the big important things, and I have to take a seat back and handle things on the home front. And then at some point those things will shift and that will evolve, and it'll be my payback of all the things.
So what things do you want to run the world? Now Michelle Obama has all these nonprofits and these foundations.
Yes, that's what I'm gonna do too. No, I want to focus on the things that I want to focus on. It's not non-profit-y, but I want to learn how to cook, and I want to be a PTA mom, and I want to have 4-course meals on the table for you from hubby.
I just need Chipotle. On a real estate side, for me, just a couple of things. After our alignment with Ash, can we get a couple more Airbnbs and actually optimize them? And of course, outsource all of the problems. Things that we don't like, the triaging. Outsource that, get a couple more Airbnbs under our belt, just for immediate cash flow. Longer tail goal, we would like to find our own commercial real estate property and be the lead partners on that and run that deal entirely. So if you have a 60, 70, 80 unit apartment complex in the Midwest that you're thinking about selling, let me know. And then we're growing a marketing agency. So definitely want to help more people find their next deal, their next property, their next partnership, all through social media. So if you want to learn more about that too, you can click the link down below.
I think maybe one of my goals for real estate would just be like, where exactly can I even be helpful or impactful at this point? Because I don't really know like where or if I fit in that anymore, especially if we're gonna be outsourcing all the crap that I don't like.
We manage the people who are then triaging. So I think it's like understanding and solidifying vendor relationships, passing on and managing the relationships between them and our triagers, and then just owning that process, because there is none. Which is, I've learned, is not your favorite thing in the world.
What?
Like making a process out of nothing.
No, it's not my favorite, but I also just I haven't really, yeah. I don't know. Words are hard.
Personal goals.
Mine are all purely vanity related.
Alright.
Just losing weight, getting rid of my adult acne, my double chin, my armpit fat, trying to get a bigger butt. Those are all my personal goals. That's it. I guess try to be a better mom.
I would like at some point to go to jiu-jitsu once a week, like just consistently. I would also like one sponsorship on my channel once a month. So it doesn't matter how big or how small it is, but if I can just get one sponsored post once a month just to have that consistently and be able to count that on the books consistently, I think that'd be pretty cool. But yeah, I guess those are like the two main personal goals. Do we have a relationship goal?
I think not just date nights, not just like this whole dinner, go out to dinner thing, but just actually have shared experiences together. So do more activities together without the kids. What about you?
So if you have online salsa lessons that we can do here in the house, and you have a recommendation, put that in the comments too. Okay, out of all the goals that we just said, which one are we gonna achieve first? Which one do you think I'm gonna achieve first? And then I'm gonna pick which one you think you're gonna achieve first.
I think your marketing ones. Just growing the business more and figuring out how to scale. But then you guys are doing a lot of moves in the commercial space, so I don't know. Literally in the span of a blink of an eye, it could be a deal is on the table for you. So
that's true.
That's a toss-up.
For you, I think it's gonna be your fitness stuff.
I think so too. Because that's like my only thing that I really want right now.
I can tell by what she's gonna achieve by what someone's watching on YouTube. The only thing she watches now is these random 20-year-old fitness influencers.
Priorities, man. No judgment. No judgment. This is a safe space.
Anyways, I hope that you enjoyed learning about our 2023 goals. I'm curious to know what you think we're gonna achieve first.
And what are some of your goals?
So put all in the comments, we'll connect there.
Yes.
Don't forget to comment, subscribe, and follow along for more real estate and marketing stuff. And a little bit of this, like, just us. Silent laughing. Alright guys, see you in the next one.
Happy holidays!
Why? Why?